Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During my favorite season, I like to eat light. I enjoy making recipes where I use the fresh produce we have around. During summer, I serve a lot of salads. It's tasty, very easy to prepare, and so healthy. There's one that my husband introduced me to, and I just love it. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make his cucumber salad. It is so fresh and delicious, absolutely perfect for summer. It has a few ingredients and yet just enough to make the salad very flavorful. It also pairs very well with many proteins. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a bowl, we'll add sour cream, Miracle Whip, I'm serious, then chopped dill, white vinegar, powdered sugar. Now, to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until very well blended and set aside for now. Next, we'll prep the veggies. For this recipe, we have to thinly slice the cucumbers. So, the best kitchen tool to use is a mandolin, and we want it about this thick. So with 2 English cucumbers, we should have about 4 cups. Now, we'll do a leonine cut with the onion, and from there, we'll slice it in half. We want nice small strips, just like this. Next, in a large bowl, we'll add the sliced cucumbers and the sliced onions. We'll stir these two together until combined. Then we'll pour in the dressing. I recommend to start with half, okay? And we'll stir very well until the veggies are coated. We can slowly add more dressing to our salad until we get the desired consistency. When we're happy with it, we'll cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour. And my friends, this is our cucumber salad. Fresh, light, and tasty, this dish is perfect to serve on hot summer days. It pairs very well with many proteins. Definitely a great salad to have at your next picnic. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!